Welcome. I'm Suzanne Morgan. I am a yoga teacher, a health coach, and founder of Yoga Plus Food Plus Mindset. That is my wellness community on Substack. And for over 20 years, I have been helping women, primarily women 45 plus, uplevel their health and well-being. So if you are feeling overwhelmed, stressed, sluggish, have a hard time maintaining healthy habits, or maybe you've just gotten off track with your health and wellness goals, I'm here to help you. Each week, I deliver wonderful content. I have two levels to my Substack. One is a free level where you have an abundance of resources each week. The second level is $10 a month, where I go more in depth and you have access to me more directly. You have access to all of my archives, live classes, and free trainings. Each week I deliver so much. On Mondays, every Monday, I do a guided meditation. I do a version that both has music and one that doesn't have music. I think you're going to love those. Every Tuesday, I teach you how to eat more healthily. So I create healthy meal plans, recipes, food inspirations. Every Wednesday, I offer a short practice that you can do in 15 minutes or less, oftentimes 5 minutes or less, that will help you be grounded and come back into balance. Every Thursday, I deliver a new yoga class. This is all levels. I think you're going to love my style of teaching. It's accessible and permission-based. And every Friday, I do an in-depth coaching call, which will help you really nail down how to create better, healthy habits. So I hope you'll join me. There's no risk. You can join for free. And if I resonate with you, I hope that you'll up level to a higher level. Go to Substack and go to Yoga Plus Food Plus Mindset, and please join me. Thank you so much. Namaste.